Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering why I'm in the same hair and makeup and outfit as the last video you guys saw, it's because I just finished filming that tutorial and I thought I would do like a little vlog style video today. I have some reorganizing to do today, so I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. First, I need to clean up all my filming stuff because I just finished that. I just finished doing this makeup look right here. It's like a 5-minute all drugstore no makeup looks, so if you guys want to see that, I'll link that down below for you guys to watch. But yeah, today's just gonna be a chill vlog style video. I have some editing to do, some cleaning to do. I actually spent most of yesterday like deep cleaning my whole room and getting it all sorted and everything like that, so I kind of organized everything except my makeup. I thought I'd leave that for today and kind of take you guys along with me for it, so let's just get right on into it. So I'm just gonna put all of these away. I want to show you guys real quick this new thing I got. It's called a makeup mat. I just got it from the dollar store actually, and yeah, it's just a little mat and it kind of has like a grippy thing here, so I just placed it on this little table. Every time I was filming, I'd get powder and makeup everywhere and I'd have to clean it up every single time, which was fine, but it got annoying sometimes because like the Coty Airspun, I literally opened it and it just, you know. So having this has been such a lifesaver. I've used it for the past 2 videos I filmed and it's amazing, so I love it. I'll do a little quick outfit of the day. I just have on some necklaces. This one right here is from So Free. I'll link it down below. You guys can get some money off with my code. It's really, really cute. And then this one, I don't even remember where I got this one from. It's just like a layered necklace. And then I have some earrings on from Aldo. They're just really cute and simple. And then some black shorts and a crop top. Really simple outfit for today, and I still have my crazy curly hair and I kind of love it. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna start over here and just reorganize this, get it nice and clean. So now this drawer is all organized. It just needed some retouching, but it's all good now. So I just have primers and setting sprays. All right, this drawer is the actual mess though. So I'm gonna take everything out. We're gonna declutter this thing and figure it out from there. I'm just going to go through everything. Let's start off with blushes. I'm definitely keeping all my Milani blushes, so I'm just going to sort them real quick by color so they're nice and organized that way. Next are my Essence blushes. I'm also going to be keeping all of these. I'm obsessed with them and they're already sorted out. These are from LA Girl, probably the worst blushes I've ever tried. They literally have like 0 color payoff. They're so powdery, so I'm just gonna get rid of those. And then this one is Mellow Wine. I've had this for way too long, so just gonna get rid of it. It's a really pretty blush, but it's too old. Alright guys, look how much better that looks. So organized and clean. I'm obsessed. I have the things I use all the time up front for easy use, and contour palettes in the back. So this drawer is all complete. What we're gonna tackle is this right here. I have eyeliners, eyeshadows, everything like that. So we're just gonna go through it and make it all pretty. Guys, so this drawer is all done. I have all my liquid eyeshadows here because this is what I use the most out of this drawer. And I have liquid liners, pencil, like big jumbo eyeshadows, more like glitters, and cream eyeshadows. Then I have like loose glitters here and some glitter glue. And then I have all my other eyeshadows here. and then primers in the very back. And then what I got rid of are these NYX shadows. I really don't like these. And then some liquid liners that are all dried out, and there's no point in keeping them around. Now for this drawer over here, I have lashes, mascaras, eyeliners, everything like that. I'm just going to take everything out and put it onto my desk, and then we'll go through it. So much could be crammed into one little drawer. So I'm just going to quickly go through these and then show you guys what I get rid of. Guys, look how much better this drawer looks. I got rid of like all the mascaras in here, and then I just have some new ones and the ones I'm actually using. Brow products over here, some lashes and mirrors, and I have some like thicker lashes, my like everyday ones, and then in the back I have eyeliner with gel pencils and then some single lashes back there. So it's looking so much cleaner and I'm obsessed. And then for what I got rid of, a bunch of like old lashes that were just too destroyed to try to like make them look better. So and then some like empty boxes and a ton of mascaras and brow products that are all used up, that don't need to be taking up space. So got rid of a lot of products from this drawer, and it's looking a lot better. Okay, so the next drawer would be my foundations, and I recently decluttered and organized this, so I'm not going to go through it today because there's nothing to really do. So let's move on to this drawer. Alright guys, so here it is, powders, concealers, and color correctors, and then I got rid of a few concealers that I wasn't using or I finished up, so we can go. Okay, this is the next drawer I'm going to tackle. Again, I'm not really going to reorganize, I'm just going to go through and throw out what I'm not using. I want to declutter. I feel like getting rid of some of this stuff, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get rid of a few of these. This one is awful, and then so are some of these, not pigmented at all. So just going to get rid of them. My larger palettes I also recently decluttered, so there's nothing to really go through. And let's move on to this drawer. Clean it out. It's a mess. Guys, so here's the drawer now. Powder highlighters all around here, palettes, loose highlighters, these bigger like Wet n Wild compacts, and then I have all of my like drop highlighters here, stick highlighters, glotions, and then some cream and liquid highlighters in the back there. So looking a lot better. And then I got rid of 2 cream highlighters and 2 powder ones from Wet n Wild. Alright guys, this is my lip drawer right here, and this is gonna be interesting to say the least. I want to get rid of some stuff, and there's a lot of stuff in here, so let's just get started. Alright, so I just reorganized it a little bit and then got rid of some products, so some lipsticks right here, and then some like liquid lipsticks and lip glosses. So I'm just gonna get rid of these. Alright guys, I'm honestly really proud of everything I got rid of. I am not really one to usually declutter things. I get really attached, especially when it comes to makeup. Oops. But I think I did pretty good, and I love like how organized everything is now. It looks all so good, and I'm super happy with it. The rest on my vanity is gonna stay the same. I'm good with everything here. Just gonna quickly clean because makeup is super messy. So I think now I'm going to go wash my makeup brushes, my little poofs, and then all my eye brushes because they're all pretty dirty. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so my brushes are all clean, all my face brushes and eye brushes, and then once they're dry, I'll just put them in the drawer with the rest of them. So for my brushes, I usually just use like water and soap, just regular like hand soap, and it works well. And sometimes I'll use a face wash for the foundation brushes just to really get that makeup off. But today I used the Biore Charcoal Deep pore cleanser. Guys, this worked wonders with the foundation brushes. It melted the makeup right out of them. It was super, super easy. I didn't really have to scrub really hard either, so highly recommend this for cleaning brushes. Apparently it works really well. Alright guys, so I think I'm actually going to end this vlog type video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little organization slash declutter type video. I'm really trying to declutter stuff out of my life right now this summer. That's kind of like my mindset. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys want to see next. I'm thinking of doing like a shoe collection. I have all my heels over there, and I'm thinking maybe you guys want to see a shoe collection. So if you want to see that, leave it down below in the comments. Also leave me questions for an upcoming Q&A. Anything you want to know, leave it down below and I'll be sure to answer that in an upcoming video, as well with any video suggestions you guys have. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of random declutter video, and if you want to see more of these videos, give it a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoyed it. But anyways, I hope you're having a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.